Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spice Garner Recipes. Today I am going to make a healthy and delicious pumpkin soup. Whip up this easy soup as a starter for a dinner party or a light dinner when you need a bit of comfort. So friends, let's see how to make this easy and simple pumpkin soup. For making this soup, first I am going to transfer the pumpkin pieces into a baking tray. To this add 4 garlic cloves, half teaspoon of salt, sprinkle near to half teaspoon of rosemary and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything together well. Next I am going to bake the pumpkin for 20 minutes in 220 degrees Celsius. Heat a kadai over a medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it. Then add chopped garlic. Here I took 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute it well. Next I am going to add 1 chopped white onion into it. Mix it nicely. Then add half teaspoon of rosemary and quarter tablespoon of black pepper powder into it. Mix everything well. Then I am going to add quarter tablespoon of salt into it. Friends, the pumpkin is ready now. Wait for a while and let it cool down. Next I am going to make the pumpkin bowl. For this, cut the top of the pumpkin into a round shape. It is very difficult to cut into a round shape, so you have to do it very carefully. After that, scoop out the seeds from inside. Next I am going to apply some olive oil, black pepper powder and salt to inside the pumpkin. Transfer the pumpkin bowl into a baking tray and bake it for 10 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Transfer the pumpkin pieces into a blender. Add the sauteed onion into this. To this add half glass of water and blend it. The pumpkin puree is ready. Heat the kadai over a medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into it. When the oil becomes hot, add the pumpkin puree into it. Then add 1 glass of water. And stir it well. To this I am going to add half tablespoon of black pepper powder and half tablespoon of oregano. Then I am going to add quarter tablespoon of salt into it and stir it well. To this add 100 ml of fresh cream. Mix it well. Our pumpkin soup is almost ready. Next I am going to shut the flame. See friends, our pumpkin bowl also ready now. Next I am going to transfer the hot soup into the pumpkin bowl. Garnish it with some black pepper powder and fresh cream and serve it hot. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.